Great to be here with Miles Peart, supervisor in our forestry department, and we're here to talk about the new citywide tree pruning program. Want to ask you, we have a backlog in the city of Markham. Why does a backlog exist at all?
That's a great question, Mr. Mayor. And we look back to 2013. We had a very significant ice storm that affected a great deal of trees in the city that required us to dispatch our crews to primarily focus on that event. Followed very closely behind epidemic of the emerald ash borer beetles affecting 17,000 of our trees in the city. That took us a number of years to work through removing all of them, and we're just finishing up replacing all 17,000 of those trees.
So. It's a big undertaking. Now, as a homeowner, great to have you and your crew come by. Why can't I just go out and prune my own street tree?
You know, another great question. Although we love the passion displayed by a great deal of many of our residents, we prefer to do the pruning ourselves because we have standardized goals that we're trying to achieve through our pruning with regards to clearance for our vehicles, sight lines for our traffic signs, and just a standard of work quality that we've determined to be acceptable standards for Markham trees.
So great that we're finally getting to this, but again, as a homeowner, I'd have to ask, why is it going to take 3 years to complete most of this work right across the city?
Well, there's a number of different factors to consider there. The first being, we like to prune trees at certain times of year over other times of year. So we're going to be doing primarily as much winter work as we can. It's better for the health of the trees to do it that way. We've also got a substantial volume of work to get through, and we need to pace ourselves just to keep up with the capacity of the marketplace and the contractors to be able to execute the work and the quality standards that we're looking for.
And once we're done, I assume we're going to then have an ongoing program.
That's right. This is the first step in a transition for Markham Forestry to go to an 8-year pruning cycle on all of our trees. And so this year and the following several years is going to be the start of a new cycle going forward into the future.
Well, this is great, Miles. I know residents are going to look forward to having you and your crews show up. If you do want to find out more about the new citywide tree pruning program, go to markham.ca/trees.